A lot of traders are asking me, Major, where do I buy from? How do I know where I should put my stop loss, my TP, where if I'm buying, where do I buy to? And if I'm selling, where do I sell to? Or where do I take my profit? And how do we know market direction? Yeah, market direction is different from the trend or structure, really. Market direction is different from the trend or structure. So in this video, I'll take my time to explain, okay, how to know when to buy from, when to buy or sell from, or when to take your profit and when to place your SL, and when you know when the market will start buying, when you know when the market is ready to buy or sell. Okay, so that's what we'll be talking about in today's video. So please, if you're new on our channel, you're seeing this video for the first time, my channel for the first time, please smash the like button. It's very important. Drop some good comments and also subscribe. Check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. We started giving free signals. Okay, check the description to join the free Telegram channel. Mentorship is ready and I give VIP signals. All right, now in this video I'll explain when to buy or sell from, when to take profits, when it's ready to move, everything you need to know about those. Okay, I'll talk about them. All right, you can see these boxes I have here. These boxes makes the work very easy, make you understand where the market is actually heading, like the market direction. All right, so I might delete this box out, then I'll bring them in gradually. Okay, I'll bring them in gradually. So let's leave this guy here. You can see right there we have this is step index. Okay, I will still bring boom and crash and everything to explain better. We have step index. Now market does not just move when it's going down. When let's say the market is actually going down to this point, let's say the market is planning to go down to this point, market cannot just go down from that top to that point just like that. There are some places market will want to pause for a while, then to make the next move. Okay, so those are the levels you need to take note of, and you must always use the higher time frame like the 4 hours time frame or daily time frame to know those zones, those levels. Do you understand? So if you look at this chart on step index on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that if you bring this box in like this, okay, you bring this box in like this, you have a structure. You can see from the top of that week to this level, around this level, market has been trading around this level. Even if we track it up to this point, you see what I'm saying. Sorry. So even if you track it to this point, you can see from that top to this point, you can see that this is like a room or like a structure or a level, a range where markets will be buying or selling from, around this level, in between this box, inside this box. So market will move from here to this point and back to around this level and goes up again. When it comes to this level, it will pause a bit before going up. So once market breaks this level, when market breaks this level, this box here, what gonna happen? Market will do a bit of pullback into this level to respect that level again before the next drop. So market actually moved in phases. Okay, so once this phase is done, which is when the box is broken, let's say this box right now, when the box is broken like this downward, market gives us a new low. All right, once market gives us a new low, you know that market is no longer in this range again. Market is no longer in a new range again. How do you know that? You have to see the candlestick that intersected. The candlestick that intersected this range, this box, will be stronger. It will be a body of candlestick like what we have right there. You can see that's a body of candlestick close below this box. All right, and if you look, market has been trading around this. You see the reversal here, right? You see the reversal around this level, even around this level. So this is a complete swing from here to here right now, and market has broken below the swing level. So once market does something like this, now you know that market has broken this range out from this range, it will be going back to that point. So you can decide to move down to a lower time frame. Let's say we move back to like 30 minutes time frame. Now look at that. You can see market broke that box. Market broke the box. The box got broken. Market went back into that level. Then they drop. So now this is when you know how to sell. You don't sell from when the market breaks this level. It's risky. You might sell and make money, but it's risky because market is not yet done. You must wait patiently for market to get into that range, because once a level is broken, there will be a pullback. Market to pull back into that range, then a rejection. This is a clear sign for you to sell. At this point, you sell from here, and as you're selling from here, what's the next target? If you check again on the 4 hours time frame, as you're selling from that level, you need to look for the next room or where the markets will likely pause again. Let's look back. Let's see, guys. All right. So now, as you're selling, the question they asked me, how do you know where to sell to or where to buy to? Now you're selling from after the breaking out of that box. Then we want to know the next level the markets will want to sell to. All right. So we have another clear level here. I'll change the color of that box. Another clear level right there, where I think market has been respecting over time. It's a clear level right there. I have a clear level right there. So let me change the color of this box. Let's use something like blue. Let's use blue. Okay, so we have blue right there. Now, this is it. So as you're selling from that point, as you're selling from that top there, selling from this top right here, selling from this top, from that reversal, this is your next target. Now, it's easy for you to know when you're selling what you need to do to make it very easy for you to get more opportunities. While others are looking to buy, you'll be looking to sell. What you need to do, let me remove this color, I think it's too much. All right, now, so what you have to do, when you see other people will be selling and you'll be waiting to buy, other people will be buying and you're waiting to sell. Why? Because those people don't really understand where the market is actually heading, the direction of the market. So the direction of the market is from here to this point. Then once this level is broken, it will now move from there to the next stop. Okay, so now since you understand the direction of the market, easy for you to make money. It's just for you to go down to a lower time frame. You go down to a lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame. You're looking for levels that the market will pull back to, like this level here, or this other level up here. Looking for levels that the market will pull back to. So once the market comes up around this level, I would really love market to get to this point. Once market get to this level, you're looking for a candlestick like this, or the one we saw in the 30 minutes time frame. Look at this. You're looking for a candlestick like this one, a rejection candlestick. Let's say this market move back to this point like it is now into this level. All right, so what you need to wait for, it will be that candlestick, and once the candlestick is printed, you start selling from there again, and your target is level this level. So you keep on selling until you get to this level, then you wait and observe the market. If the market breaks this level again, the market breaks this level like this, fine, this is beautiful. It has entered another box, another stage. So what you need to do is wait patiently for market to pull. You don't sell, wait patiently for market to pull inside this box again, and then to start dropping again. Once it will start dropping, to give you this kind of candlestick as well, it will start giving you this kind of candlestick, this rejection candlestick or bearish engulfing candlestick, then you start selling. So that makes the work very, very easy. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame. Let's go back to our 4 hours time frame. So yeah, this is it on the 4 hours time frame. You can see the box right there, and if you look back to this side, you can see that this is where market has been reversing. If we switch down to line chart, look at that, you can see the market has been reversing around this level. So this is a clear range, like a level that markets will want to head down to. You see this level, market buys from here to here and reverse, buys from here to here and reverse. The same thing here. And when market is buying or market is selling around this box, it moves from here to this other side of the box. That's how the market moves in most cases. So that makes it Makes it make sense, right? So now after that level, so let's say the market breaks this level, this very box here, this blue box we have there. Where is it heading to? You need to look again. You can decide to switch to line chart and look at levels that you see the market is likely going to drop to. All right, the level of the market is like going to drop into. So we have something like this. We have this level right there. Look at that. We have this level. This is where the market likes buying and selling from. To market buys from here. You can see this one started, it pulled back and reversed into this one and started buying. This one started buying from this level. This one started selling from here. So in most cases, you see this one started buying, sell. So this is another level that markets will want to go into. So if you bring in a box like this into this level, we bring in a box into this level again. Can decide to put our box there. Okay. That's our box right there. So if market breaks that, the previous box, which is this one, it comes into this level. Now, once that level is broken, once this line, this box, this previous box is broken here, market comes inside, you wait for a pullback, then you start selling. That makes the work very, very easy. Very, very easy. So even when you're trading something like boom and crash, it's very easy. Let's say the boom 1000. Look at this. On the boom 1000, we have a box like this. This is a box right here. This is a box right there. All right. This is our first box right there, from there to this point. Where am I taking it? I'm taking it from here, from this high here to this low, right? Then once the market breaks this box, like what we see, what happened here, you can see the market broke this box upward and gave us a new high. So what do? We wait for a pullback for markets to get into a level where we could buy from. Now the question is, where do we buy from or sell from? Now this is how you know where to buy or sell from. On the 4 hours time frame or daily time frame, we want to see where the market open and close before, where the market stop. Let's say you have like for example, you can see this level here, where this black candlestick, the bearish candlestick closed, and then we have a bullish candlestick open from the upward. This is your zone. The same thing, you can see the same thing happened here. We have the black candlestick closed here, and we have a bullish candlestick started opening from here and goes up. That's your structure. This is your key level. You can see the same thing happen here. So now this is the key level. And once the market goes above this level, what do? You have to wait for market to get back to that level. Look for a key level that market has been respecting over time, like 3 times or 4 times, which is this level here. This is where market has been respecting. You can see market reversed here, and here. Do you understand? This is the most places, places on the chart where market reverse around this key price, new current price, where market has been reversing. So you have to wait for market to get to that point again. Once market gets to this point again, you're looking for a reversal candlestick around this level, which is the, maybe check on the 30 minutes time frame, and boom, we have it there. We have bullish engulfing candlestick. You can see this is a clear sign that market will start buying from there. So now this is how you trade boom and crash. You don't just start buying when the market gets here. You must see market start reversing. That's the best way. Once the market start reversing, it has given you a sign that it will start reverse. You start buying from there. So that is how to actually trade boom and crash and every other asset. I really hope this has really helped somebody. All right. So if you can be making something like that, look at where the market started buying and where the market started selling. You observe it. Once the level is broken and market comes into that point again, you now look for a buying or selling opportunity to make money. And the same thing again, if the market breaks this box again, we have another box which is we connect from the high of that level to where it started buying from. So like we can even keep it here, somewhere right there. Now, once market comes back, once this level is broken, the high of this box is broken. All right, we have to wait for market to come into the box again. Any place could be here. Then what do? We start buying from there all the way up again. You can see that makes the work easy. Now let me show you something here. Why you should wait for market to get to that point. Let me remove this. Now, if you look closely, if you switch to line charts, you can see that markets reversed from here before. The same thing I showed you guys where the market closed, a bullish candlestick closed. It's around here that the bullish candlestick closed. The bullish candlestick closed somewhere here, right? And the black candlestick opened and started going down, all right? And the same thing again around this level. So this will be your entry. This will be your where you base your analysis around this level when the market comes in. You can see that. So the same thing here, we see around this level we have the bearish candlestick close and the bullish candlestick open. So now let's say we break above this box, which is that's what's going to happen. We break above this box. What do? We have to wait for market to get into that level, this level, and start buying again. So as simple as that, guys. I really hope this helps somebody. If you don't understand this, the best thing to do is for you to watch it over and over. You have better understanding on how to do this stuff. It's not really hard, okay? If you cannot do it yourself, you can chat me up, join the academy, or sign up and get our signals and be making money for yourself. Now check the description, join the free Telegram channel for free signals, and share our link with your friends. Let's everybody join. The message is right here.